Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, like the title of my video says, my Mecca birthday gift unboxing. If you live in New Zealand and Australia, there's this big giant store called Mecca or Mecca Maxima. They just store like Sephora's. They stock a huge range of skincare and cosmetic products. Thanks to Mecca, we've got them here now in New Zealand and Australia, and I'm so glad they've got quite a few stores here in New Zealand. And if you join them, you get a card like this with your own barcode, and you can save up your points each time you make a purchase, either in store or online, and you can build up points, and you get level 1, 2, or 3 beauty member. And for me, Jenny, I am a level 3, what they call Beauty Look level 3 member, which is their highest. It goes to show how much I spend on skincare every year. So let's go straight into it. My birthday Beauty Look level 3 gift. They got little gorgeous bags like this actually. So I picked it up in store yesterday, and inside the bag is like a lovely box, and they say they've got, can I just put on my glasses so I could read to you the words properly? So a few times I didn't get the names of some products right, it's because I haven't got my glasses on, but okay, the products. So now you see me with my glasses. How do I look? Oh, there's a card here. It says, a starry birthday from Mecca Beauty Loop. Taurus, my birthday in May. And there you are. I've got Mecca Maxima. They say, let me just read to you. Limited edition terry headband, I believe is this one here. Bright Eye Hydrogel Eye Mask, I believe is this one here. Fresh Face Hydrating Hydrogel Individual Sheet Mask, I believe is this one here. So these are two products by the Mecca brand. I have not tried Mecca's skincare or the mask or the eye gel, so I will do a review on this. In fact, I have never used an eye patch on eye gel, so that will be a good test for me, how I feel about eye gel, eye patch. It's becoming quite a trend actually, not just mask for your face, but mask for your eyes, literally an eye mask. And this is here, the terry. It's just a bit difficult to open. The terry, by terry, there's a brand called by terry. So this is I suppose when you put on your makeup, let me take my glasses off now. Now I don't have to read. I think this is how you use this. So when you're in your, when you need to put on your, yeah, this is great. Yeah, when you need to put on your makeup, you need to pull your hair back. I'm not bringing it very well. Let me just get this right again. So really need to pull your hair back. Pull my hair back. There you are. That's great. Yeah, this is great for washing your face or putting on your makeup. Oh, this is fantastic. I've never had one of these. I tend to use just one of those no plastic band, but this is great. Fantastic. Yeah, that's great. So there you are. If you are Mecca Beauty Look level 3 member, they give you a gift every year for your birthday. There you are. Thank you so much for watching today. I will do a video on, I think especially on eye patch. Really is an eye mask or eye patch they call it. If you're first time visiting my channel today, welcome. Please remember to subscribe. In that way you will be reminded every time I've got a new video coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.